Kukuha lang tayo saglit sa ating mini fish pond. Ang ating ilalagay na beta.
Good day, Marshals. So it's another good day, and today we will unbox another betta tank, no? So the population of my betta is growing and growing, no? So I need more tank in order for them to have their nice habitat. So yeah, at last dumating na rin, no, after 7 days, no? So yes, we will unbox this and we will do a quick review, no, na rin, no? So yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to tap that subscribe button, no, and the bell icon alongside of it, so you'll get notified, no, in my future uploads. And yes, yung legit nga, no, pag sa JNT talagang binabasa ko kasi kanina nung dineliver to, talagang binato sa akin, sabi sapatos ata to boss, no? Tapos binato. So yes, kahit sapatos ba naman yan, paano kung nabasag, no? Katulad nito, medyo delicate. So medyo nakaka-bad trip, pero ayun, sige, buksan na natin to. Yes, so yeah, there you go. Here's the tank that I've ordered, no? So yeah, its packaging looks nice, no? So siguro due to the shipping, no, and packing, no, so it has slight damage, no, on the box, but yeah, that's tolerable, no? So yeah, let's open the packaging itself. Wow, I hope it doesn't, no, break, no, because ayun nga, sabi ko hinitya ni kuya. So as indicated in the box, no, it has 2 color, no, lighting, the day and the night, no? So wow. Then carbon cartridge, blah blah, hindi ko alam yan. Then unique filter grid, no, with easy clean system and water release cap, no. So pag mag-change ka ng tubig, release mo na lang siya, no, hindi mo na siya ibubuhos, no. So yun, mape-prevent yung pagtalo ng mga isda. Very good. So ayun, unbox na natin siya, ha? So ayun, ito yung actual product, no. So medyo may kalakihan, no, pero in terms of, naku, sabi na eh, hinitya ni kuya, oh. Ayan, may basag. Dito kaya. Wala naman. Pero paano kaya? Siguro, I don't know. Yun lang masasabi ko. Yung tank is may basag. Ayan, oh. Pero ayun, all in all, okay naman siya. Medyo sad lang. So ayun, nalagay ko dito, no, somewhere yung price, no, tsaka kung saan ko siya binili. All in all, okay naman ako, no. So pero yun nga, may basag yung product. So medyo unhappy ako. Pero pag tinakpan mo naman siya, hindi eh, basag talaga. So ayun, pero hindi naman ito makaka-apekto. Like, okay. So, ayun, meron pa siyang, ang dumi ng plastic, parang sobrang dumi. Meron pa siyang substrate. Ano ba ito? Filter. Carbon cartridge. Hindi ko naman alam yun. Install ko pa ba ito? Sige, install na rin natin. Gawa nang nandito. Pero ayun, may puno-puno pa siya. So, assemble muna natin. Ito, soan ba yung puno? Uy! Parang nagamit na ito. Pero hindi naman. Tusok natin. Sayang yung plants. Yan, ganda. Siguro nag-glow to sa gabi. I don't know. Tusok muna natin. Tapos, last one. Medyo aesthetic siya, no? Okay, hindi naman nahuhugot, pero gumagalaw-galaw siya. Astig. Tapos, ano kaya ito? Battery operated. Slide to open. Battery operated. So, ayun guys, battery operated siya, no? At napapaandar siya ng AAA, no? AAA battery, 4 na AAA, no? So, medyo astig kasi kung kailan mo lang siya gustong sindihan, no? So, ayun, tsaka malalagay mo siya kahit saan, kahit walang power outlet, no? Pero, ayun, kala ko, disaksak siya. Okay na din. Okay. So, ayun. Try ko maghanap ng AAA battery, no? So, yeah, babalik ako maya-maya.
Meanwhile,
Yes guys, I'm back and paganahin natin yung kanyang ilaw. Tingnan natin kung may power pa yung battery ko. Gastos naman yun ito, apat. Yes, ayun, napansin ko lang, no? Yung sa battery slot niya, when you slightly place your finger or accidentally place your finger in the middle, no? So, the battery will collapse instantly, no? The placement, no, of the battery will be disturbed, no? So, yeah, but that doesn't matter to me, no, because it has the cover naman. On. Oh, okay. Then, for the, I think, ayan siya. So, yes, I think that's the night light, no, the blue one. Then, the daylight would be the white. Okay, that's quite nice. Okay. Pag may bisita ko lang ito bubuksan kasi medyo magasto sa battery. So, ayun. Siguro, balik ako mamaya guys. Kasi, hugasan ko muna to, then lagyan ng tubig, then try natin lagay yung mga fishes natin. Betta fish. So, yeah, I'll be back.
20 minutes later.
Guys, no, so ang dumi na ng kamay ko, no. So, uling ata to. So, ayun yung kasama niya sa plastic. Medyo uling. So, ang dumi sa kamay. At, hindi ko alam, sumabog. Hindi ko alam kapag kanilagay ko kung magkukulay uling din yung tubig, no. So, medyo natatakot akong ilagay. Siguro dyan na lang siya. Oh, dumi. Para akong taong grasa. Yan, takpan natin. Carbon filter. So, ito, I think hindi natin siya magagamit talaga kasi meron pang tube, no? So, meron pang CO2 ata ito. Yung tinatawag nila ng CO2. I don't know, guys. So, better na hindi na lang natin siya gamitin, no? Para safe, no? Sa ating mga beta. Baka ikamatay pa nila ito. So, what I'm gonna do is ibabalik ko na lang itong sa plastic nila, no? So, para future use, no? For future use. Okay. Pero baka gamitin ko na din. I don't know. Ano kaya ito? Carbon filter. Hindi ko na din kung pasti. Pero masikip. Yung pala guys, comment kayo, no, down below kung para saan tong CO2 na carbon cartridge. No? So, parang gusto ko talaga siya ilagay na ayoko. Kasi baka yung tubig namatay pa yung isda ko. So, yun siya guys. Siguro lagay ko na lang din kung paangas. Pero, kasi sumabot ko. Lagyan natin ng uling. Kunti lang. Baka meron pa tayo next time. So, ayun. Okay, so ready na tayo, no? So, clean ko lang itong tank, babalik ako, then set up na natin.
Meanwhile,
Guys, as you can see, ito yung water release cap niya, no? So, yes, higa natin siya. And pag mag-water change ka, ayun, tanggalin mo lang. Then, ayun. I-release na yung water.
a few inches later.
Fill na natin siya with water, no? So, kukuha lang tayo saglit sa ating mini fish pond. Ang ating ilalagay na dito. So, yes, binawasan ko muna yung tubig, no? So, para hindi umapaw. Dagdagan na lang natin ulit mamaya. At, lagay na natin sila sa isa. Whoop! One down. Second one. And the third one. Yeah. So, yes. Punayin ko lang ito saglit. Mabalik ulit ako. Guys, so far, no, so sa mga na-order kong tank, no, so all in all, siya yung pinakamaganda, no, para sa akin. And secondly, I like the easy, no, easy drain up, drain down, no, cup niya, no, sa baba, no, so you will not be thinking, no, on how to pour your tank's water, no, so hindi ka na mag-aalinlangan na baka mahulog yung isda mo, no, or something. And ayun, I like the plants, no, the luminous plants, no. It will at least save me electricity, no, at night, no. And at the same time, it looks aesthetic, no, with the luminous plants. Yes, medyo kakaiba, no? So, I like din for the first time yung color blue, no? So, kasi parang ano siya, tinging dagat, no, yung itsura niyan. So, the ambience, no, feels more like you're in the ocean, no, or any bodies of water. So, yes. And also the filter, no, the unique filter, no, that the mess, no, or the dirt or the poop, I should say, no, will go down directly into this pot, no. So, you don't have to worry anymore, no. And yeah, but what I'm worrying about is when those dirt get accumulated, no, so how to remove it. Maybe I should remove the whole dividers, no, and the flooring itself, no, for me to be able to clean that up completely, no? So yeah, and as for the shape, no, it perfectly fits, no, your desktop, no? So it looks nice onto your desktop, no. So it the lid, no, or the cup itself has breathing holes, no, also. So yeah, it will be beneficial for your fish, even though the Betta does not need that much oxygen, no, in order for them to survive, no. So yeah, but that's quite okay as well. Then the divider also, no, has small holes, no. So when you put water, no, it will go, let's say you put the water in the middle, no, the faucet, you place the faucet mouth, no, right directly onto the middle, no? So it will be filled equally, no, unlike in the other tanks, no. I have a tank that the other side is being filled up while the other is lacking behind, no? So you have to fill them both, no, in order for you to get that equal look, no. But for this one, you don't have to worry about it, no, anymore. Then also, yep, the materials are good for me. So yeah, let's turn the lights on. So yeah, that's basically the night light, no. So I don't know with my lighting, no, but it's quite it's the daylight, no, I should say. Then this one is the night light, no. So yeah, it is much better, no, if this one is not battery operated, no, but I should say it's quite okay with me, no? So being like that. But one of the disadvantages, no, that I'm seeing with this one is this is battery operated, no. So in case you run down power, no, due to battery outage or something, then it will not light up anymore, no. So you will have to buy a new battery. But on the flip side, it's also an advantage because even though the electricity, no, is not available or there's power outage like blackout or brownout or what do you call it, no? So yeah, power outage basically. You can still see the beauty, no, of your tank. So yes, and I will try to slide it again. So yes, another disadvantage would be I think this is too small, no, for long fin betas, no. So plackets you can put in here, but not the long fin ones, no. So yeah, and I still don't think what that carbon filter, or I don't know, still don't know what that carbon filter is all about, no. So let me know your thoughts, your comments down below. So on what's the purpose of this one. So yes. Or how it's how can I make it functional, no? So I think there's still some apparatus being kept in here, no? Because it has some slots for the hose, no? So yeah, let me flip this like that, no? So there's a slot, no, for hose, I don't know. So yeah, and that's it for now. So that's basically it for today's video, and if you like it, or yeah, let me know your thoughts about this tank, no? So if you like it, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the like button as well. Also share it with your friends, no? So yeah, you can get entertained, no? So yeah, I think that's all. And okay, see you again on the next video. I will be enjoying this one. Bye bye.